Don't install Windows without watching this first. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and without further ado, let's dive right into the video. Imagine doing a clean Windows install with the official Microsoft ISO, and when you reach the desktop, there is no Microsoft Edge, no OneDrive, no bloatware apps, a clean start menu, fewer background processes and privacy setting disabled by default. Windows is fast, smooth, and responsive right out of the box. How is that possible? The secret answer is Answer Files, a built-in Microsoft features. These unattended files let you customize Windows installation settings to create a lightweight, optimized setup. So here's how you can do it. You need to first download the answer file. For that, you simply need to visit the unattended winstalled GitHub page. And after that, you simply need to download the auto unattended.xml file. After that, you have to add the answer file to installation media. There is simply two options. Method 1 USB installation media and second is custom ISO with embedded answer file. For that, the method 1 you need to create the bootable USB drive using Rufus or the media creation tool. When using Rufus, don't enable custom Windows settings as it adds a conflicting answer file. Then you have to copy the auto unattended.xml file to USB root directory. Boot from the USB and perform a clean install. The tweaks will run automatically. Using method 2, you can download the official Windows ISO and install any burn. Open the ISO in any burn and add the auto-unattend.xml file to the image. Save and override the ISO and use tools like Ventoy to create a bootable USB and install Windows. And after installation, no browser is pre-installed. Run the provided desktop file, launch ZTT, wait until to open, create details, take utilities, and download your preferred browser or other apps. Treat this install as a blank canvas. If you want to adjust the answer file, use an editor like VS Code or tools like AI Assistant for easier modifications. And this method ensures a clean, fast Windows experience, privacy settings disabled by default, a fully deployed system tailored to your needs. So it's a great alternative to LTSC and works on Windows 10 and 11 Pro or Home version. So that's it. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.